This segment of Health and Beauty is brought to you by Honolulu MedSpa.
How did it feel?
It's not bad at all.
Cutting-edge technology and a professionally trained staff makes all the difference. There is only one full-service medical spa in Hawaii. It's none other than the Honolulu MedSpa. The mission at Honolulu MedSpa is simple: help make men and women look their best and feel more comfortable in their own skin. With over 30 years of practicing in Hawaii, Dr. Chun-Uyehara, also affectionately known by his staff as the Sunshine at Honolulu MedSpa, is the medical director leading the charge.
All right, there was a time when we'd hear of celebrities getting procedures done, but I feel it's more common practice these days. Here at the Honolulu MedSpa, we're learning more about what you offer. Give us an inside look to your services.
Our services mainly is that we are here to make people happy by making them more beautiful. Whatever treatment we do has to produce amazing results. Our standard is very high and got to be safe, and with our special technique is virtually pain-free. And we're focusing on beautiful shape, which is very important, and beautiful color and also texture. And most people enjoy a smooth, beautiful skin. And that's what we're about. Apart from that, you can look beautiful, but you also got to be healthy. Being a medical doctor, we also stress health for the patient. And you can look beautiful and look healthy, but if you're not happy, there's no sense in it. So we also make sure that our patients are happy, and this is very important to us.
From the moment I walked into this place, just everything seemed right. From the front desk, the staff, the treatments, their expertise. I just felt very comfortable with it. I do all my treatments because I don't want to go under the knife one day. So if I do a little bit, it maintains nice skin and prevents the surgery one day. It makes me feel great. It makes me feel like I am awakened and rested, and I'm more confident.
Also, you know, to be in business, you have to have exclusive products, and you have that here. You have the vampire facials, you also have the cool sculpting. Can you talk about those two specifically? Because you've brought them and introduced them to the islands.
As we age, we lose volume and the skin sags. The vampire facelift is very interesting. We use your own cells, what called plasma-rich platelets, and these to regenerate tissue, so they regenerate your own tissue. You also give you a better color. It is a very simple concept and a simple procedure. This is using your own blood, so you know that it's very safe because it's your own blood.
People are always amazed when I tell them how old I am, and it's to the credit of this spa that it's had a significant difference in how I've aged. Coming here for me is how I pamper myself. Yeah, it costs money, but so does everything else. And it's the one thing that I do for me that really makes me feel good. Some people go and get a massage, some people do other things. I come here and the staff is like family to me, and that's why I glow. Not just the skin rejuvenation, but the fact that I feel good when I leave here. There's literally no downtime from this. The last time I had no bruising. I walked out of here and the next day just went around doing my regular routine. It really is painless. Oh my goodness. There's a difference, but it's very subtle. I love that it's subtle. I would rather start out gradually and adding on, because then I know what the results are going to be like. Or I can anticipate more what the results are going to be like. This is going to be very pretty. You can already see some of the lines that it's pulled out here. This is my signature though, my lines, because I smile all the time. So they're there, nothing we can do about them, but this will soften them a lot. And I know that.
The cool sculpting is a very interesting technology. It cooled the fat to about -10 degrees, which means you don't damage the skin. By cooling down to minus 10 degrees, you're going to kill 20% of fat cells.
When we put the applicator on the skin, the applicator vacuums all of the fat into this applicator cup. And then the fat is actually frozen between these two cooling panels. It's kind of like a mammogram for your fat. And then I just roll that right over onto it, and it's just going to vacuum everything up into it. So now the tissue is all in this applicator cup. And now we just wait 1 hour.
Oh, look at all that good fat.
So I'm just going to massage that now for a couple of minutes to break up more fat cells.
The procedure works, and I think that's why I come back, is because it works for me. And I have been very happy with the results. I'm more confident. This has allowed me to feel younger, to feel more beautiful. It doesn't mean I'm going to have a perfect body, but for my body type and my fat, it has helped eliminate the fat cells.
There's some emotional health that comes with it, because I was sitting in the waiting room and I'm listening to all these people who just said they feel better about themselves.
Sure.
So what makes it pain-free? Is it the procedure itself? Is it maybe the expertise of your staff? How have you kind of set yourself apart?
It's both. It's our technology. We have the best technology. But more important is our staff. They're very well trained, and they'll make it pain-free as much as possible.
So, I think the most important thing right out of the gate that people are looking for when they come to a medical spa for treatments are credentials. They want to know that there's going to be a certain standard of care and that the treatments are really going to be safe. Everyone wants a good result and everybody wants a good price. That's a given. But safety, everybody wants that, and they don't know for sure where they're going to get it. So I think you really just have to find a trusted medical spa to go to. We've been in business for almost 14 years now, so we're the longest standing medical spa here on Oahu. We're #1 by volume in all categories. So we're the first to bring the latest and greatest technology here to Oahu. We're the first to bring that to Hawaii in many cases. This is the most advanced tattoo removal system in the world. We are administering more treatments in every category than any other medical spa in Hawaii. And then we're able to give back to the community in such a way, like even with the clothing drive, with the food drive, the Toys for Tots, when we give patients beauty bucks in exchange for participating, it lets them come here and feel good about themselves, but also feel good about their purchases, knowing that they're supporting a locally owned, family-owned business that gives back to the community we live in.
So what makes you happy to come to work every day?
What makes me happy coming to work is like my people over here. We love our work, and we love to make patients happy. And the way we make patients happy is by being happy ourselves, and we give them good results.
See, it's only been a couple minutes and the bumps are already gone.
Looks good.
Easy.
So time for work.
Thanks, Greta.
You're welcome.
So we go round circle, come back to happiness.
Sign me up.
Okay, another tattoo successfully removed at Honolulu MedSpa.